Bersiap dulu, Bu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished reviewers, respective participants, and fellow researchers. My name is Aristiana Prihatineng Rahayu from the Faculty of Education, Communication and Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Surabaya. Today, I'm pleased to present my research entitled Science Learning Through Simple Experiment in Community-Based Early Childhood Education. This study explores how simple science experiment can support science exploration abilities among children aged 5 to 6 years at PAUD Cahaya Bunda, Surabaya, a community-based early childhood education center serving underprivileged families. Throughout this presentation, I will discuss the science opportunity gap experienced by many children, the research process, the key findings, and the implication for early childhood science education. Abstract research focus. This study explores science learning through sample experiment and its contribution to science exploration abilities in children aged 5 until 6 at PAUD Cahaya Bunda, Surabaya, a community-based institution serving underprivileged families. The science and findings, a qualitative case study across 12 sessions, March until May 2026, symptoms, low initial competency to the stimulation deficit, research, developing observation and communication skill, scaffolding, based facilitation, simple experiments as acuity pathways, and school-home science connection. Kaya novelty, the greatest scope experiential learning, Vygotsky, and an equality lens within Indonesia community-based PAUD, confirming familiar, affordable methods are cognitively optimal for low children. Introduction, the science opportunity gap. Science literacy is now fundamental competency from the earliest years, from PISA 2026 for the first time, including an early science literary component, confirmed that a practical science foundation has long-term impact on academic achievement. That's Indonesia Merdeka Curriculum. Similarly, identifies critical thinking and creativity as core dimension of the Pancasila learner profile, even at the PAUD level. Yet a striking paradox exists. While a policy promotes active science learning, community-based PAUD institutions serving vulnerable groups face limited school facilities and a complete lack of science stimulation at home. Nearly 60 of Group B children at Cahaya Bunda had never participated in the structural science experiment before study. Theoretical framework, Piaget constructivism, that children in the pre-operational stage construct knowledge through direct interaction with concrete objects. Scientific abstraction can only occur through meaningful cycle engagement. Number 2 is Vygotsky social-cultural theory, that a learning potential peaks within the zone of proximal development, or ZPD, when the children receive scaffolding from a competent facilitator, the basis for teacher-guided experimentation. Number 3, COPS experiential learning, a cycle of concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, active experimentation explain why simple experiment are an optimal catalyst for young learners. Methodology, design qualitative instrumental, single case study. Cahaya Bunda PAUD serves an instrument to understand simple experiment as an equity vehicle in Indonesia community-based PAUD. Location and time, Cahaya Bunda for 14 weeks, March until May 2026, serve 46 children from families below the 2026 Surabaya minimum wage 4,725 and 4,079 subjects purposefully selected, one principal, 2 group B teachers, and 20 children aged 5 until 6. Data collection, participatory observation, semi-structured interviews, and documentation. Analysis and validity, interactive models, validity ensured source techniques, triangulation, member checking, audit trail, and weekly peer debriefings. Okay, that experiment program for 5 activities and visualization. We can look at my slide. That's many activities. For the first activity, so sign accept, session, and dates. Term 1 and 2 from stimulation deficit to curiosity search. Term 1, stimulation deficit, baseline observation showed 18 of 20 children could not describe more than one object characteristic. Only 2 children asked questions across 2 baseline sessions. Teacher comfort, school is the only gateway to science for these children. Of 20 families, 14 parents had elementary education only. Theme 2, curiosity source, questions set from an average of 1.5 per session at baseline to 41 in session 6. Session 6, and all 20 children were actively asking questions. Question quality inferred from descriptive to causal, predictive, and across concept. One child, the name of Bima, arrived with a bright and shiny question from home. Why doesn't ice melt inside the freezer but does outside? Okay. Now that's should it grow question per session. We can look at the picture and in my slide. Okay. Term 3 and 4 is observation, communication, and teaching. Teacher scaffolding. Term 3, scientific communication. That's certain can description inferred from single words to analysis sentence in session. The name of Sahra. That's example. Observe melting ice. The ice is crying. Means water is coming out of the body. This conversation we can look at my slide. scaffolding that teacher do for their children. Term 4, facilitation strategies. Tired question, linguistic validation, inclusive talking, and teacher think aloud. 5, simple experiment as an acquired vehicles. That the study most significant original contribution using an expensive contextual material is not merely programmatic response to the budget constraint. It's offer distinct pedagogical advance follow as a children. Okay, we can look at my slide. Okay, term 6, bringing school, science, and domestic. Flair called this a scientific concept formation is everyday context, yeah? Called saying that identifies real life connection at the most critical component for meaningful long-term learning retention. Children from most families arrive not without capital, but with a wealth of real life experience that become invaluable epistemic asset. Conclusion and implication. These are 6 kind finding. Structural stimulation deficit, that's a lack of opportunity, not capacity. So number 2, curiosity shorts. Number 3, observation and communication. For number 1, for teacher strategies as a critical quality determinants. And for 5, familiar materials reduce barriers, intrinsic equity advantage. Or number 6, a domestic life experience are epistemic asset and not deficit. Then practical implication. PAU teacher training focus on inquiry skills and scaffolding. Integrated, number 2, is integrated local material experiment as core curriculum, not add-ons. Number 3, school family, bringing program using domestic experiences as science entry points. Future research, the number 1, comparative studies across community-based sport in multiple cities. Number 2, nationally standard observation-based early child assessment. And number 3, longitudinal impact on elementary school readiness. Okay, thank you. In conclusion, this study found that a simple science experiment can significantly stimulate student and curiosity, observation skill, communication abilities, and scientific thinking. That the findings also suggest that affordable and familiar materials can become powerful learning tools, particularly for children from low socioeconomic backgrounds. Therefore, science learning should not be viewed as an activity that requires expensive resources, but rather as an opportunity to create meaningful learning experience from everyday materials and guided exploration. We hope that this study contributes to the development of more inclusive, equitable, and engaging science learning practice in early childhood education. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to your question. Thank you very much for your attention.